the snow is melted today. We're gonna get very cold tonight. Maybe our coldest for the year, 21. So I know, for people who live in the north, that sounds super lame, but that's why everyone's relocated in North Carolina. So obviously areas that didn't get full sun still have some snow cover. And in that foundation bed, that is all barley. And this should do perfectly fine. 21 degrees won't even make barley blink. So I think for the most part, all the grains are looking great and we won't have any major winter damage.